out of the given conditions, whereby the AI really understands the limits much better and in a shorter time.
Either Dana Kvyat, who has raced at the pinnacle of motorsport in Formula One, has raced at the 24-hour.
They have available to really operate
speed of over 200 kilometers an hour as well. This car is violent as well. You can see already down now 5.8 seconds into and then up and over the rest of the career. To be modified only a couple of years ago, then you can see just under 5 seconds as we come to start lap.
has put a purple first sector in the last lap, and then just in the second sector they were just slightly off by over attempts, and that's amazing.
AI systems with this car, 7 cameras, 3. Let's see what it is come the end of lap 3, but we have already advanced from where we were just over a year ago.
We have much advanced, and now watch the car going out of turn 5. The team, the AI has the traction. Haley has the traction completely under control, so the car can really accelerate on the limits, and it's hard for Daniel to keep up now on the straight, and he won't make any big difference in the sector because the car is pretty much under control, and the AI actually understands the edge.
Engine, both adhering to the same track limits as well. You'll notice the AI car taking, well, little to no curb.
Out of the given conditions, whereby the AI really understands the limits much better and in a shorter time frame compared to the human being. And we see it's 2.1 seconds now. The Tom car is getting quicker, so I'm actually curious to see what is happening over the next 5 to 6 laps.
Yeah, these AI stacks can process 500 gigabytes of data per lap. The learning that they can do just over 1 lap is staggering, and let alone the hours of testing that they've had in between now and the last time we saw this showcase unfold. So Kvyat's able, after the final sector, just to close that gap to under 2 seconds, 1.8 seconds, 1.1 seconds, as they come across the start lap 6, over the halfway distance mark now, between this incredible chase. Either Dana Kvyat, who has raced at the pinnacle of motorsport in Formula One, has raced at the 24-hour of Le Mans in the ultimate sports car racing series. 7 of them have passed. We're about to come to the close. Oh, we might be a little earlier, a little breaker, a little later in the braking zone.
Why the AI can just keep controlling, improving is at the maximum, but it can maintain pace, whereby Kvyat again, he dropped. He really chased down the car, and he struggled with his car. He's struggling to maintain his performance in the course of the 10-lap race. And when you see this kind of excitement, that's what A2RL is all about. It's the excitement about tech, about what tech can do. We have seen the technology cycles, what we are hoping for.
Yeah, beautiful conditions as well. That's why we come to Yas Marina, and you saw there a few moments ago the entire team, round of applause as well. Deserve the spirit of the Marcus Lean Camp, the team leader, signing of our top tier drivers. But right, I think we can hear. Quick uniform, the quicker over 1 lap. We will get a warm-up lap. The track will be set to full course yellow, meaning a control speed of 130 kilometers per hour for safety checks. We'll then get the formation lap checks. But the anticipation is really building. It's a whole different kind of experiment. finds the way clear.
Yeah, just the difference in pace there is so huge that Unimog just couldn't anticipate the
car has made a decision, but then there's also physics, so there's more elements actually defining what's actually happening in reality. And taking all these into consideration is so much data, so much valuable data.
So actually what's happened there is the Tum car's gone to the inside, hasn't it? And I think the Unimog car has gone to go inside the constructor car.
Wanted to avoid going off track there before contact was made. And you know, we have the radar, the LiDAR system in particular as well, the 2E brief. There's so much emotion that goes into this. I know that might seem not like it on the forefront of it, but there's a lot of guys and girls that work so hard, and it's not how you want to see their evenings ending.
No, so many of these coders sort of
Structure and the whole ecosystem is just more controlled. There's performance tests.
expected avoidance even under a full course yellow is an amazing, it's not the sort of thing the car is expecting to do. And so they're naturally delighted that the car has managed to respond in that way and take a second off its capable pace to victory. But it'll have to press on now because they're straight and narrow again when we can go back to green flag racing.
Yeah, 11 is such a show to us today, which is more than unexpected to me actually. I was hoping for TAI.
Should there, on this cool down now, should stop. A2RL Season 2, round of applause to everybody who's worked so hard over the course of this last year and a half at Team Tum, based in Munich, Germany. Autonomous racing veterans, they've been really working and developing this technology since before